Hey guys, in this video I'll be showing you how to create Google Form. Go to your browser and type Google Forms. Then click on the link over here. Then select personal. Then you will see something like this where you'll find some predefined templates. You can either select them or you can use the blank to create a customized Google Form. So before creating the Google Form, I have an app suggestion which might help you. Consider a situation where you and your friends went to a restaurant and ordered a dish. After having the dish, suppose let's assume that you were the one who made the payment, expecting that your friends will transfer their share of the bill to you later. But that didn't happen and you are feeling awkward to ask them. This issue can be resolved by using an app named GoDutch. So before going to restaurant, just create a group in this app and ask your friends to join that group. When you make the payment through this app, it notifies the group members about their share and it keeps on notifying them until they transfer their share to you. Once they have transferred, then it stops notifying them. So there's no need for you to approach your friends to ask your money back. Now let's create a Google form to gather the details of a person who have installed this app. So first let me add an header. I'll go to customize theme and I'll choose an image. You can choose some predefined images provided by them. I'll use an image present in my device. Select the image. Once it is finished, click on done. Then your header will look something like this. Now add a title to your form. I'll name it as GoDutch. You can add some description about the app regarding how it works and something like that. Then I'll add a title and description so that I'll provide the link to download the app. I'll name it as link to download. Then I need the details of the person who installed this app. So I'll ask him to enter his name. So in order to add some attribute, just click on the plus symbol over here. I'll name it as full name. You can choose multiple options over here, but I'll select a short answer because a name is some kind of text, and I'll choose required because this prompts the user to enter his name, and without entering his name he can't submit the form. Then I'll again click on this plus symbol and name this as phone number. Now you have multiple options over here. You can choose any one of these. I'll choose number and I'll click on required. Next Again click on the plus symbol. Now I'll ask the user to enter his state. So I need an area where he can enter his state. So I'll choose short answer. Next, and I'll select this also as required. Next, I want his city, and I'll select this also as required. Next, I need to know whether the person has installed the app or not. So in order to know that, I'll ask him to send the screenshot of his profile page, so that whenever I see the screenshot, I can confirm that that person has installed this app and created an account in it. So in order to get a screenshot from the person, I'll name it as screenshot. Then I'll select file upload and click on continue. Whenever user submits the screenshot, it will be saved in your Google Drive, linked to the mail account. If you want to allow only some specific types of files, you can check this. And you can also select the maximum number of files a user can upload. I just need one, so I'll select one. Then you can also select the maximum size that a user can upload. There are various sizes. I'll make it as 10 MB. Then I click on required. Next, you can preview this form. So before previewing, just delete this some extra tab. Then click on the I symbol over here. So this will be your Google form. We have added some validations. Whenever a user enters some characters in the phone number, then it will prompt the user to enter a number, and until all the required tabs, all the required attributes have been filled, the form cannot be submitted by the user. So I personally suggest you to download this app, as it has some great features. I'll be providing the same Google form in the description, where you can find the link to the download the app and fill in the details in this Google form. That's it from this video, guys.